Do you know that some machines are quietly, secretly turning ordinary people into millionaires? The best part is that you don't even need a huge factory or thousands of workers to start. But with the right machine, you will start small. From there, you grow and make serious money. So in this video, I will be showing you 6 powerful machines that people use to build their wealth and how you too can use it. So if this video is what you like to watch, please consider to watch to the end. Like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get you notified each time I upload a new video. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So number 1 in my list is laser cleaner machine. Yes, this machine here. So this particular machine uses laser technology to remove rust, grease, paint, dirty or materials or any other surface without damaging the material. Do you get? So this particular machine, it removes dirty from metals or any other surface. So how you can use this machine? You can simply position this laser machine on that particular metals that you want it to remove the dust or any other thing from. Once you position it there, the machine will only target the unwanted part on that particular surface and clean it up, like clean it up without damaging the material. It revives old material to new material. Did you get? So this particular machine doesn't use chemical. It is very safe and precise. You can offer metal cleaning services for car parts, machineries, and tools. You can also partner with factories, companies, auto shops, and charge per hours or per project. Many businesses pay well to restore their old equipment instead of buying new ones. This machine can bring steady income with just one client in your area. So number 2 is balloon stuffing machine. Yes, it allows you to stuff gift items like teddy bear, baby clothes, candies, chocolates, or anything that fits in creating unique parties and gift items. So how does it work? Inflate a large transparent balloon using the stuffing machine. Place your chosen gift inside, like teddy bear or other gifts I mentioned before. Seal and decorate the balloon with ribbons or any design of your choice. So how can you make money with this particular stuffing machine? Start a party decoration or gift business. Sell stuffed balloons for birthdays, weddings, and Valentine's, wedding, shower, and the rest. Partner with event planners or run your own online. People are willing to pay extra for personalized luxury style balloon. So by so doing, your profit margin will be very high. Did you get? So number 3, ink edible cake pro machine. The food printer that prints edible items, images on cakes, cookies, chocolates, name them, using edible inks. So how does this machine works? Design an image on your computer, like logos, images, messages, and the rest. Put it into this printer with the edible ink cartridge. So you print the image directly on cakes, cookies, or any other thing. Do you get? So how can you make money with this particular machine? Start a custom cake or pastry business. Sell cake with printed photos for birthdays, any event, wedding, or corporate anything. You can as well partner with bakeries and supply them edible images. So this particular machine transform ordinary bakery into a premium personalized services that a customer or a client will even like to pay for extra. You get? So number 4 is knitting machines. This is automatic knitting machines. So this particular machine helps you to create sweaters, scarves, socks, hats in just minutes instead of hours. So how does this particular machine work? You load your yarn into this knitting machine. You select the stitch pattern or design you want. So you turn the handle or you select the automatic and it knits the fabric. How can you make money with this particular machine? Produce and sell custom knitted materials online or at local markets. To offer branded or seasonal clothing like school sweater, winter hats, or any other thing. Low cost yarn plus fast production equals to high profit in fashion and accessory markets. What do you think? So number 5 is Glowforge Aura machine. It's a laser cutter and engraver that allows you to cut, carve, and engrave on wood, acrylic, glass, leather, and even fabrics. So how does this machine works? So you place your material inside the Glowforge machine. So then you upload your design like logos, photos, and any of them from your computer. And the machine will cut and engrave your design with precision. So how to make money with this particular machine? You can create custom gifts, jewelries, or home decor. You can sell personalized items like engraved cups, wedding decor, or wall art. So personalized products are in huge demand. So this particular Glowforge machine gives you the unique opportunities to sell at premium prices. So number 6, the last but not the least, Procura direct to film printer machine, that is DTF machine. So this particular DTF machine is a printer that can print a design on a special film which can be transferred to t-shirts, caps, or any other materials. So how does this particular printer works? So you print your design on the film using the DTF printer. So you apply hot melt powder and heat it on that particular fabric. So you peel the film and your design is permanent, is washable, and is bright. So how can you make money with this particular machine? You start a custom clothing or merchandise business, print for schools, brands, and individuals, even events. You can sell it online through your social medias or even WhatsApp. Fashion is always in demand, and custom design brings repeated customers, as in loyal repeated customers. Do you get? So these are the 6 powerful machines that are secretly making people rich. So whether you are into food, fashions, event of any kind, there is a machine here that will help you to stand out from every other competitor's idea that you have. These machines can also help you to make steady income. Do you get? But remember, where the today is about working smart. So machines like this can do most of the heavy liftings for you. If you watch to the end, like this video, subscribe, share, turn on your notification bell to get you notified each time I upload a video like this. So if you are a new subscriber, thank you and thank you very much for stopping by. See you in my next video. Bye.